guys, what's up? I hope you guys are safe and are doing well. You will be hearing some dogs barking in the background. I just can't help it, you guys. I have to film this video today. Now, recently I had shown you guys my earrings collection as well. In case you guys have missed that video, I will link it up here for you people. Please do check it out. Now, I don't have a very huge neck pieces collection, but जो भी है ना मेरे पास काफी dynamic collection है. Like some pieces I can wear with my ethnic outfits, some pieces I can club with my western clothing, and then there are some pieces which I can club with both my ethnic and my western outfits. Okay, so I am so excited to show you my neck piece collection today. I really hope you will enjoy watching today's video. In case you guys are new here, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First piece that I'm going to show you is this silver oxidized neck piece which I had got from Amazon. I'm not very sure of the brand's name, because of which it will be a little difficult to link this for you people. आप लोगों को ऐसे बहुत pieces मिल जाएंगे Amazon पे, because this is like a very popular design. Now this is what the piece looks like. Oh my god, this looks so nice with this top as well. I completely love such silver jewelry. I feel like ये ना kurtis, tops सबके साथ अच्छा जाता है. Like if you're wearing something deep, it goes like even better with that. Like today I'm wearing a deep top, so it is just going amazingly well with this. I can easily club this neck piece with this top. So that's the first one. Now moving up ahead, I want to show you this neck piece जो मेरी best friend ने मुझे दिया था, I guess 4 years back on my birthday. This is what the neck piece looks like. So basically it is a cluster of hexagons, if you can see. This is so pretty. This has like green, pink, blue, all kinds of tones. I love how dynamic this piece is. This can literally be clubbed with anything and everything, like dresses, tops, everything basically. This just completely fills you up and gives your look that oomph, that edge, which I completely love. And this basically looks good with any color ka dress. So I just love this. I always enjoy, wearing this neck piece with everything. Now I'm going to move ahead and show you all the neck pieces that I have in this box. I do have quite a lot of neck pieces, but I'm not sure if these are all I have. I think I have more pieces in my Mumbai flat, but यहाँ पे मैं इतने सारे ही लेके आई हूँ. So एक एक करके I want to show you all of them. So please do keep watching till the end of the video. I have quite a few interesting pieces to show you. Now the next piece I want to show you is this choker. Again, a silver oxidized choker. This is what it looks like. So pretty. So basically you have to wear it like this. I'm not very sure from where I got this. If I'm getting it right, I got it from Bandra. Look at that. So basically these are pieces, ये पहनने के बाद आपको और कुछ नहीं ऐड करना पड़ता है अपने लुक में. Like इसके साथ आपको कुछ और नेक पीस पहनने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just wear this. And I think you're sorted, you're good to go. This looks so pretty. And of course, this is very light, very easy to wear. And chokers are like my favorite. I mean, just look at me now, okay? Like bare, nothing here. And now look at me. See? Just instantly lifts up your look. So completely love this. Now, let's see which one would I want to show you next. Yeah. So the next piece is something which is very close to my heart. I wore this in one of the functions मेरी दीदी के शादी के टाइम पे, and तब से ही मुझे इस पीस से प्यार है. मैंने बहुत ढूंढ के ये पीस निकाला था. So इसको मैं ऐसे लगा के ही नहीं दिखाऊंगी, पूरा पहन के आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी. Though this is something which is to be worn with your ethnic pieces like lehengas and saris and all of that. Look at the beauty. You can of course adjust the length to your preference, and just look at that. It's so gorgeous. Oh my god. I mean, अभी तो मुझे फिलहाल ये इस टॉप के साथ भी अच्छा लग रहा है, but of course this is meant to be worn with ethnic clothing. I just love this, and this has so much of intricate design in here. Fits in perfectly, and this looks very pretty. Like just takes your look to another level. I feel like ऐसे pieces हर एक लड़की के पास होना ही होना चाहिए. किसी शादी में, मेहंदी में, किसी की हल्दी में पहनने के लिए perfect चीज है ये बिल्कुल. Next piece actually is another piece that I had got from Amazon, but I'm not very sure if this is from Jewels Galaxy. It just might be, or it might be from some other brand, but I love this piece as well. This is one of those pieces which you can actually wear with gowns, again with lehenga, sari of course, and also with western clothing. You can actually wear it very tightly, like itne tak aayega aapko, but मैंने थोड़ा सा लूज पहना है, so yeah. So that's how it's looking. Look at that, it looks so gorgeous. This has like pearls, and then this has golden work here. I think you might have seen this on Amazon. It's a pretty popular design on Amazon. So that's the next one. अभी इसको open कर लेते हैं. Now, the next piece is a very simple piece, yet it's a very elegant piece. It's baby pink in color. Actually, it's not even baby pink. It's so light. It's like a very neutral color. This is what the piece looks like. I don't know what this stone is called. Don't ask me, please. So इसमें आप length adjust नहीं कर सकते, but this is what the piece looks like. Very simple, yet so sober and elegant. That's the next one. Now, moving ahead, I want to show you one of my recent purchases. This was a part of my June favorites video, I think. Yes. And this also is something which I got online. ये भी मैं आप लोगों को पहन के दिखाना चाहती हूँ because it is that gorgeous. I'm just waiting for a nice occasion to club it with something, you know. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. It's another choker and I got it online. Look at that. Now these are designs which you can get anywhere. आपको किसी street side store पे भी ये design मिल जाएगा for sure. That's the next one. I completely love it. So simple, so easy to wear. I'm keeping some of the special pieces to show you towards the end, so please hang around. Now the next piece is another one which has pearls in it, and this is again something which is more suitable for a ethnic look. I feel like with saris and lehengas, this will look really nice. Also, I think with some anarkali and angrakha kurtis, this will look really nice. Basically, the kurtis which have a flaring bottom, this neck piece is going to look very pretty. So let's just tighten this up to a level which we want to, and yeah, that's how it is. मैंने intentionally आज ये deep neck top पहना है ताकि आप लोग समझ सको एक एक neck piece का जो look है. So basically it's completely golden and यहाँ पे आपके pearls बने हुए हैं. So gorgeous, isn't it? It's very pretty. Yeah, and easy to wear, like because this comes with a tassel, it's easier to wear and open on your own. Let's show you the next one, which is a neck piece which I think मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा पहना होगा because this is the ultimate neck piece which goes with literally everything. ये वाला जब भी I'm in doubt मैं तभी पहनती हूँ उसको because I know for sure कि no matter what I'm wearing, it's a kurti, it's a tight top, it's a loose top, it's a crop top, I know that this neck piece is going to go with that. So I'm just always very certain कि मैं इसको किसी भी चीज़ के साथ क्लब कर सकती हूँ. अभी ये थोड़ा सा ना entangle हो गया है. इसको मैं अगर अभी perfect condition में करने बैठूंगी तो काफ़ी time निकल जाएगा. We'll just show you the neck piece as it is. पहन के मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. This is what the neck piece looks like. See, I didn't do anything. Okay, I just wore this. It added a pop of color to my look. Not just that, look at the beads. I mean, they are just so pretty. So it's made of very small beads, and this is so ultimately gorgeous. I think I got this from Goa when I'd gone there with my family approximately 3 years back, and yeah, I think this has to be my favorite neck piece because I just don't need to worry about pairing this. I know this will go with anything and everything. Okay, now all of my neck pieces are not like very chunky. I'm fond of dainty jewelry as well. So I have some jewelry which is very dainty, very dainty. ऐसे भी बहुत सारे designs आप लोग को मिल जाएंगे. It basically has small beads on the upper layer और नीचे के layer में it has a heart. So very pretty. Have some dainty pieces also in your collection. When you're wearing a very complicated and a very colorful outfit, you can wear dainty jewelry with that, and when you're wearing something on a simpler side, you can wear some chunky jewelry with that. Just try to sort of balance it out with your clothing and with your jewelry. The next piece that I want to show you is again another dainty neck piece chain that I have. मैं इसको पहन के नहीं दिखा रही हूँ आप लोगों को, but this is what it looks like. It's made of like small leaves का design है इसमें, and बीच में एक ऐसा bead है, okay, and the gold is a very striking shade of golden. So ये काफी दूर से भी ना दिख जाएगा किसी को. Next up I want to show you a layered chain जो कि आज के ज़माने में तो बहुत ही in है. Like this is really in. Everybody is wearing layered pieces, but again I knew obviously मेरा entangle हो चुका है. I think I do have pictures clicked in this particular layered jewelry, so I'm gonna attach a picture here for you to check out. But basically this has 3 layers. So इसमें से एक स्टार भी है and एक ऐसा ovular coin kind of है. So I will attach a picture, you'll get an idea of this one. So बहुत जल्दी entangle हो जाता है, otherwise it's a pretty nice to club with things. The next piece I got is from Bandra. This I'm pretty sure is from Bandra. This is again a silver oxidized kind of jewelry. You can of course adjust the length of this. So you can wear this as a choker, you can wear this as a loose necklace as well. That's completely up to you. Okay, I'm not left with too many because मैंने ना सारे pieces मेरे लाए नहीं हैं मुंबई से. Intentionally, because how much can you get, when you're flying, you can't really pack everything. Though I am a girl who actually loves to pack a lot of things, but I literally had to sit and filter out things. Now the next one is this one. I have this piece with me for a while. Of course, because I'm wearing something which is in a navy blue tone, it's looking very pretty because it's a black neck piece. Look at that. मैंने इसको लगाया नहीं है, मैंने just ऐसे ही place करके रखा है. If I would have worn a black outfit, it would have looked even better. But obviously because this is black, you can literally wear it with anything. थोड़ा सा contrasting look देता है ये. So yeah, this is very nice and this is also a design I feel like you can get anywhere. If I'm not wrong, I got this from either Shoppers Stop or West Side काफी सालों पहले. Last piece that I want to show you is something very special that I've saved up for the last. Intentionally मैंने इसको last तक बचा के रखा था. And this I'm very confident is from Zaveri Pearls. इसको मैं ऐसे place करके नहीं, पूरा पहन के आप लोगों को दिखाना चाहती हूँ. Imagine if you wear this with like a Lucknowi chicken kurta. So that's what the piece looks like. It's a very, very chunky piece. You have pearls going on, stones going on, all kinds of things. I completely love this piece. Kurti, saris, yeah, it's gonna look perfect with that. So yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching my neck piece collection. Like I told you, these are not all the neck pieces that I have. Some of them are back there in my Mumbai flat. I will keep adding more neck pieces to my collection, and as and when I buy neck pieces, I'll maybe do hauls. Really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. In case you did, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and also video ko like kar dena. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.